Hey guys, Travis here. Today we're going to cover lighting. We're doing lighting! Alright, today we're going to talk about how to get this beautiful white background that I've got here. You might think it's something special, a big studio kind of effect or a green screen. This is actually just a white wall. If you don't have a white wall in your setup, in your office or garage or wherever you're shooting, you can just buy a portable seamless paper backdrop stand. I'll provide the link to pick one up. But why white, you ask? As you know, Apple is now the second most valuable brand in the world. And if Apple utilizes the white video background, then we probably should too.
One of the things that makes iPad so incredible is that there's almost no end to what you can do with it.
So many different places, in so many different ways.
Clean looking, modern, and lets the viewer concentrate on your message and your product. And it's not cluttered with furniture that's going to look outdated in 20 years or a cheesy plant. It's simple and kind of sexy, just like my beard. We're here at Shields Film Studio. We've got something called a 3-point lighting system. It's literally 3 lights, and we've got 2 lights lighting up the backdrop. So let's get to the setup. My assistant Erica will be our lovely model for this demonstration. Place the first light 45 degrees to the right of the camera. This is called the key light, and this is your main light. You place a second light 45 degrees to the left of the camera. This is called the fill light, which helps fill in the shadows. When both the key light and the fill light are used, you get a nice even light across your subject. Our third light is called a backlight, which normally would be pointed towards the on-camera talent, but for our white screen, we are actually pointing it towards the white wall to help illuminate the backdrop. Now we need to get this white wall glowing white. We are using 2 extra lights to actually just shine on the wall to make it a bright white. For these lights, I prefer using a light called a flow light. I'll provide the link below so you can order these for yourself. Let's take a look at the lights we're using for our shoot today. I'm using a 3000 watt softbox fluorescent video lighting kit. They're called softboxes because there's 5 light bulbs inside of this fabric box that comes with 2 diffusers, so you get a really soft, gentle light. You can put them close up to the talent's face and it's not going to blind them, and it gives a really nice soft image. Alright, so we've covered the 3-point lighting system. I've showed you what softboxes to buy. I've showed you what background lights to buy. We've got a wall or a seamless paper backdrop. And the last step is you need to have a camera that you can put in manual mode and you can adjust the iris. We want to be able to lock that iris pretty high to brighten up the image and get that white to be bright white instead of a grayish wall. I'm sure you've seen some videos where people tried to do the white wall, didn't put enough light on it, and the wall ends up looking gray. We don't want that. We're trying to avoid gray walls. We want the white wall. Hey guys, it's me again. I hope you enjoyed that free training video. And if you'd like even more video tips and tricks, click the button below and I'll tell you how you can enroll in my online training course where I've packaged together 15 years of my professional video experience, and I teach you how you can easily shoot videos that sell. So click the button below and I'll see you real soon.